Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to install and run NeuronEX Industrial Age Data Hub in Docker using virtuallabs.online. Now I am using this virtuallabs.online to create a Docker ready server in which the base is Amazon Linux 2023, and in top of that the Docker is pre-installed. Okay, so that's why we don't have to install the Docker. We don't have to set up the Linux operating system. Okay, so that's why I am using virtuallabs.online. Now we want to run and install NeuronEX Industrial Age Data Hub in the Docker. Okay, so how we can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. Now I have already created the Docker ready server using virtuallabs.online. If I go to my labs, then here you will see Docker ready server, or you can say Docker virtual lab. Okay, and I am accessing the Docker virtual lab using this link. Okay, so once you click here, you will have this link to access the terminal of the Docker ready server, and here you can access it. Okay, and if I type Docker, then you can see it is already installed. Now our target for this video is how to install and run NeuronEX in the Docker using virtuallabs.online. So this is the command to pull the NeuronEX image and to run the NeuronEX from the Docker. So I'm going to copy this command. Okay, I'll paste that command here and then we will run it. Okay, you can see it is downloading the image, and then after it will run it. Okay, the image is downloaded and it is running, and you can access your NeuronEX software on the port 8085, but that thing we will see later. Before that, we will see the NeuronEX is running or not. So for that you can use command docker ps and then -a. Okay, and here you can see emqx NeuronEX, the latest image is running from last 17 seconds. Now we want to access it, and here you can see it is available to access on the port 8085 on the localhost IP address. But we don't know the IP address of this system. So if you want to know the IP address of this system, then you can go to my labs from virtuallabs.online, and here you will have the public IP address of your Docker ready server. So I can copy this IP address. Okay, I can open new private window, I can paste that IP address here, and the port number is 8085. Okay, and then we can hit enter. So here you can see the port is 8085, so that's why I have used port 8085. And here you can see we can access our NeuronEX from anywhere in the world using this public IP address, and this is how you can use this NeuronEX Docker image, and this is how you can install it. Okay, now the default username is admin. Okay, so you have to provide the admin as a username, and the password is 0000. Okay, and then you have to hit enter, and now you can access your NeuronEX Industrial Data Hub software from anywhere in the world. Okay, so we have completed our agenda for this video, that how to install and run NeuronEX in Docker using virtuallabs.online. So you have to navigate to the virtuallabs.online, and you have to create your Docker ready virtual lab, and then after you have to run the command which I have mentioned here on our website, docker run something something something. Okay, it will pull the image of NeuronEX and it will start your NeuronEX software. Okay, and then you can access it from anywhere in the world using public IP address which is available for your private lab. Okay, so this is the public IP address of your lab. You can use that IP address, and the port number is 8085. And if you change the port number here, then you have to use that port number to access the NeuronEX software. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere, and we are going to cover the south devices, north apps, everything in the future videos, that how to work with the NeuronEX software. Okay, or you can say NeuronEX platform. And in the future videos we will also cover that how to install NeuronEX in the Linux operating system. Okay, how to install NeuronEX in the Raspberry Pi as well. Okay, so in the next video we will see how to install in the Linux operating system, but not with the Docker. Okay, so we don't use Docker to install NeuronEX. We will directly install NeuronEX in the Linux operating system. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.